TT Pasha and Tiamo Mobi are your morning companion on Peli FM 95.0.
Peli FM 95.0.
It is a DJ Tira coming through with the song Cam Masters with them boy. Bapela le babanchi. Bapela ele babanchi mo pineng. That's how Baraking Chrome is made.
Gangsterism.
Yeah, well, okay.
Gangsterism.
All right, I wouldn't.
Ke batho ba bantši society ke koša ka society.
Yeah, but gangsterism, when we are wrong.
Honestly.
Yeah, mara I'm a gang. Okay.
Man, I'm a gang. I get that.
I'm a gang.
I agree, but I don't agree because all gangsterism,
Yeah,
my 11 put you in oven.
yeah, I put a knife here. Yeah, I make example with your husband.
Take him to shower.
Hey, ja.
To the
To the hot shower.
Yeah, put them in a hot shower.
How you doing, Just Buddha?
I'm not nice right now, Grand.
I'm delicious, my brother.
Jovicho.
So how was the week? Eh? Yeah, wow.
Oh.
I'm shining reviews.
Okay. When not just Buddha?
Ukiti biang.
Forum Nandi.
I was one. Oh, sorry. I was.
Okay.
I was.
Alright, you know
I'm
what?
gonna seat.
Okay.
Team make up. I'm gonna was. You're fine. I mean, you're fine.
Okay.
It's always ganja. It's was wrong. It's a So,
Okay.
yeah.
So this is my thing. Okay. Let's not do that. We are at work here. Please, behave. Let's get into our coffee chats, man.
Coffee chats on the drive-through.
Peli FM 95.0.
So in our hashtag coffee chats, it is Mjolo Tuesday, and of course we're going to be talking about something Mjolo. So before I get there, let's look at the divorce rates in South Africa. They are rising, with 24,202 cases granted in 2024, an 8.9% increase from 2023. Women being the ones who initiate most of the divorces, accounting for approximately 57.2 of the cases. And this is for women in their 40s. So we're asking you today, right? If you believe, or in fact, let me put it like this. What do you think makes marriages work, like in the times of our grandparents? And what is our generation doing wrong? Explain. Carlos.
But what about never intentional about what they did? Never atla wa galapa. Ba batla o ira bana ba bantši ka jarateng gore se neme tswele pele. Today ho na le agenda. Ya today e tsamaya agenda. It's either o mpatlela gore o feel a dream ya hao ya social media o bontsha batho gore o tlatsa batho gore ya mfuna ba khombisa ukuthi umshado wami bo ngibagcwalisele yabona and then yeah no serious these days I have a friend okila ngamputsa ntwana umshado wami nokathabang umuphi bontswimbo ubona lapho ukuthi
ba computer ka lenyalo.
pila
Majida en.
yeah
Interesting.
Something's wrong.
umshado wami nokathabang umuphi bontswimbo ngidantwana wakubona amabhodlela lonke into yebhodlela itomato iviniga I mean wonke amabhodlela bawakhona boy bese ngaswela ibhodlela lapha kuwe ama-worcester sauce ama-soya sauce yonke into beyikhona
Hectic. Titi.
So no no support ka yona that.
No mo support clearly.
It's okay.
When we want to Titi.
Hey man, I think there's too many factors these days. First of all, you know back in the day ne re sa bolele the whole day. Re lo re shwa thaeng letsatsi lo lotlhe. O ka mo potleng ya ka o ka mo ke WhatsApp the whole day o nya go re cha da kwela no mfana go re ko mese ke tsamaya the whole day. I don't communicate. Are we to not phela na?
the whole month aya Gauteng
Yeah.
Tembisa
Yeah.
yena o tla from Limpopo anamele taxi a ilo lata ngwana Tembisa
I grew up on.
a khutlele gae
I grew up on.
yeah
Like, dog, you had time and space. That's why the relationship ho ka di level. Have the relationship tsa o magogo khale ne di last. Her ga combine na go ba spendileng bo botle. joke go botsa le 10 years ago se fitlhe a fitla ha a retire right now ha se wa kwa
You're so boring.
there was no time for them to spend together in all honesty. They don't even know each other that much.
Wow.
But
So
now,
you think
I
they
that-
had more going for them?
Yeah, I
in
think,
that time?
No. I just think there's too much communication that's happening.
With
They're
us.
too close. Yeah. Nagola na bana le nako, na bana le space. Monna o nyaka space, mfe space man.
Wena na.
Amar ne
Ara
ba
wena na.
ntana ne ba
Wa bona?
thandana man ba tala be ba thandana
No.
yes be ba thandana such that ne kiss ya khona be ba
Ah,
ihloka be ba ke re go botse ne ba iramba lamza ne ba sa tsebe batho wa
He banna. Ke tsebeng wena.
ne ba iramba fela e re go jwetsa
Ke eno e bonang.
mba it can take you a very long way mfethu
I think a lamza could take you a long way.
mba
Okay, calm down. Calm down. No, the thing is, because that's my level. Really, one of the ball different.
Oh, wow.
I've never seen my grandparents kiss. I've never
You've
seen them
never?
kiss. Yeah.
Obviously at that age, bro, like come on.
Exactly.
But
That's
your
the point.
parents?
No, I've never seen them.
I feel like that's sad. You should see your parents love each other.
mfethu mba
Mba.
mba
Mba is enough.
lifetime guarantee mba wena lamza
Mo pela batho ba bagolo.
that's why rena le 24 ene enye part ya le LS stats utema kakhulu
Oh, you're part of the divorce stats.
the same year ish ntwana.
Hey, sir.
Yeah.
And the woman is the
He's
one who initiates.
initiated.
You understand
So you are actually right in the middle of this.
mfethu ingishayile le
Not that siyahleka,
mara ngasibamba
this
uyabona umkhala
No.
No, asleg.
We're not
No,
laughing
I say,
at you.
I
We're
say.
laughing with you.
Yeah.
yeah
Sorry.
laughing with me nihlekani nihlekani
No, it's not fun. It's not funny at all. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. I don't think it has anything to do with what time. These elements were always there. Hey, money, what. No, money was always there.
oh yeah
Money was always a problem. Hey, what.
But I get to know women are working as opposed to our grandmothers who weren't working. They depended on the grandfather. If my grandfather said he didn't have money,
So that works.
I think no, not that it works, but it
I mean,
helped.
clearly, when
It
according-
helped with not divorcing because now you are dependent on the man, quite literally.
So according to the statistics, that
Yeah.
works. According to statistics, that means
So you-
more marriages survived when women didn't have jobs. That's what she's saying.
That's what I'm saying. Yes,
Okay, so you support not working.
I don't support that. No,
Okay,
not at all.
this is not
That's
gonna work.
not what I'm saying.
bona
At all.
ho ba le zaga doesn't mean anything especially wa bomme o ka re ba e batla mo ba tshwana le motsepe ke billionaire marosanyaka zaga so le bona le ha ntse ba bereka bona le business still ba batla CFO ya go eguruleni and then ya tshwarwa ya tronko
Yeah.
This is not your story or nothing. You're just
No.
saying generally.
yeah mara bana le zaga
Mara,
I-
still
mara ba
banyaka-
sa nyaka
basanyaka
I
yeng.
feel like this might be his story.
Yeah, it sounds a little bit like his story.
no not my story no
It's not,
ko
it's
sa ka
not.
story is different ne ke tla le botsa ka tsela
Okay.
ke re topic e di satla
Yeah,
Okay, no,
yeah,
you're
yeah.
right.
All right, fine. What makes marriages last like our grandparents? What is our generation doing wrong? Please explain to us. I see a couple of Facebook messages. Baringamo.
George Maluleke are number 1, patience, respect, communication, and caring. Number 2, tsoga re bolele, betha re bone, na ke rapele. And then last but not least, wa tshwana engwe le engwe ke yona. That's my favorite. Engwe le engwe ke yona, baby. Ka mokgwa o e boneng. Ka mokgwa o e boneng.
No. 100%. You know what? That is. Yawo personal. Tswara bolele.
yeah
Betha re bone, betha re
Betha
bone.
re bone.
Na ke rapele. A wa tshwana engwe le engwe ke yona.
nna krapele
Nna Krapele monna.
ke bona bothata.
Omong Tembela Major Ngoshana are people exposing everything on social media is what leads to relationships falling off.
Oh, yes.
Hallelujah.
That's true.
100%.
The crash outs
Hallelujah.
that you have on social media, and then us, it's
100%.
entertainment. I don't want to lie. I'm there like, yo, where's the popcorn? And it's your personal life.
Yeah. Now,
You know?
we trying to learn, no, we busy right here in personal life.
Wabona?
Mara
he's-
why le super kam?
What?
Nigga, no, Rafael.
No,
Personal
nje.
life mara monwana o tla kantle. Kante le bya. Why? O ga re modimo a le betha menwana nyane. Ya tloela super batho.
Last one for now. John Mdluli are alcohol is the problem nowadays.
No.
It's always been a
Okay.
problem.
Alcohol has always been a problem.
Like always.
Khale ba bo chela. Ebile khale o ga re ne ba bo chela wisdom, no.
Yeah, it's going down. Our generation is going down with alcohol.
Oh,
use.
maybe that's what they mean, or we're not drinking enough.
Oh. I don't know about
Maybe as
that.
a generation.
I
like that.
don't just know. How about no?
Yeah, I know. It is not correct. All right, 079-217-9999. What do you think made marriages last longer back in the day than they do right now? We're going to be taking your voice notes and your interactions a little bit later. It's a cover.
But it's a cover of a cover. Because already Tupac covered it.
Yeah, but we can just say one cover. That covers
the
everything.
main song is the original and then the covers.
Okay.
It's
So it's all under one cover.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's one
Please.
song.
But I know the live
E ka se
cover.
be remix. Mongwe wa yona o teng.
Yeah.
That's why Sting today o jazaga ya PDD le Hunter.
Oh, okay. You know what?
Adalaga covers.
We are not going there.
First of all,
Adalaga-
it's baby oil,
Covers.
allegedly. In fact, though, he's in jail, it's baby oil.
Yeah, no, baby oil I think go tronkong ke Vaseline ba.
Maro ya gago o itse mang.
Stop.
Yeah, true.
Ya gago o itse mang.
Stop.
He had many bottles of baby oil. Many.
About 1,000.
Thousands of baby oil.
Just everywhere. What's in that kitchen?
Baby oil.
Yeah, wa tella. Na ba chichiriza ga yona.
I don't like any baby oil right now. Okay, we're talking about marriages that last as our grandparents did. Why is it that our marriages are not lasting, man? We're trying to get to the bottom of this. 079-217-9999. Let's see what you gotta say.
Think that people listen to a lot of what other people say. So because you listen to what other people say a lot, you end up trying to do what they are doing in your relationship, whereas relationships are not the same. Relationship dynamics are not the same. What makes the other relationship work is not going to make your relationship work. You need to know your story and your partner's story, and you also need to understand your relationship story. There's somewhere where you started where no one was there, and there's somewhere where you are where people are trying to probably advise and tell you how to do certain things. So I honestly think that do your own thing. Don't listen to other people. Understand your partner, understand yourself, understand your relationship. Kidino Mo Oliven, thank you.
O Titi Siamo Luena Rich. Ke mpol mo lo tas gape. Me ke tlhalose taba ya gore di manyalong a today generation e dia dilo tse wrong mabaka gore re felana pelo a re tse dilo ka like bit by bit step of the way re a jaga. That's why re feletse re bone the next door ka re kaone ha o fitla gona o thola gore awa the grass is not always greener on the outside. So how ka re thuta gore o khotlelele situation o ska fela pelo and situation e le nngwe you learn to accept it, move on ka bophelo. You will see re tla lasta mara e ra jaga. Hey.
Good morning, T. Good morning, TT and a T. Do you know, marriage, this paloko is because of like, Rena, like, Baswa. ke na le ntho le gore a rena gotlello. And again, ya di grand and grandparents tja rena gore bereke ne. Batho ba le ne ba na le sephiri. You remember our grandfather used to go kumagaeng batle mo Joburg ba tlo zama. And ne ba khona le go mmalela gore o tlile ka January. Bare January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Nkere ne ba shumisha telegram. Ka September ne ba ngola telegram o bare September, October bare ngwana o tlile. So to you be like, okay, fine. Hey, ke tlile ke berekile. Gane no, ke gale ba sintse go ga. It's just that wena o tlile ka January, September, October motho o tlhaile. Motho la kwa ha. Ke yona ntwa le ba khona go etswana. Ene ba khona go etswalela ba o botse yona. Ba ba felletse bile ba nna concrete ka yona gore no. Le wena o tsebe gore motho la ke motho a ka ngwana o tlile.
Yeah. No, I think that's another thing that made marriages last is the fact that no hosna the DNA. DNA testing, yeah. I ain't give my manje abjatle. Ikona.
Mara lispiri.
Yeah.
Awana rona re bo shashalaza.
Yeah.
No, tell me he's doing this. Le bo just buda ke lenyalo la mang. Le lentswembu.
Mara le manyalo a tla la sta byang le na le di section go pheli tse ba re mtlhalampia. Le ra hore le ra hore dilo di tlo la sta byang.
Le re bo tala bja ona
lo. We lost the dog.
Your bra Steve